Jeshura. Jeshura. Oh no.
Hello guys, how are you
Good,
all?
sir. Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, guys. Very good morning. Very good morning, Agatha, Ira, David. Good morning.
Gopal.
Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Doing good?
Yes,
Boy.
sir. So good.
Uh,
Morning, sir.
uh, Good morning, Agatha. So yes, we'll cover the last topic, and tomorrow there will be the doubt class, guys. And if possible, I'll take on Saturday also, like Saturday near about 10 or 10:30. Just 1 hour class for the doubt only. Okay, but Saturday is not confirmed yet. I'll inform you after the like on Saturday, yeah, or on Friday only. Okay. There won't be any topic discussed. We will do. We'll do the this part. Doubt class. Okay. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone, Edric, Miracle, David, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. So we were on the last part of the control and coordination. We'll cover that as sorry for that.
Gopal? You went.
Okay. So now we'll learn this. Okay. Basically, there are two types of uh, hormonal systems are there in our body. Okay. There are two types of hormonal system in our body. First is endocrine, and the second one is
Exocrine.
exocrine. Okay. Endo means inside, and crine means hormones. Okay. So if hormones is inside our body, okay, it basically they are ductless also. They are also called as ductless. Okay. Like they do not have any duct to release the hormones on the in the body. Means like if I will say this is a hormone, like this is a gland. Okay, it's called as the ductless gland. And for example, this is a gland. So in that gland, they do not have any duct or specific way to release the hormone. Okay, like if I will say exocrine, exo means outside and crine means hormone. So they release hormone outside the body as they have duct gland. They are called as duct gland. They are called as what? Duct gland. Everyone got it?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Why? Why they are called as duct gland? If I will draw the diagram, so it gonna be look like this. So they have way to release the hormone. They do not have duct. They have duct. Okay. Yes or no? Like sweat gland. Like for example, sweat gland is the exocrine gland. Sweat gland, or we can say sebaceous gland, which is also called as oil gland. Sebaceous gland,
Yes, sir.
because they all are have like oil will come into our skin, sweat will come into our skin because they have way to release into the like outside the body. Everyone got it? No.
Yeah.
Agatha, you didn't get it?
Sir. Gopal?
Got it, sir.
Miracle, you got it, beta?
Got it, sir.
Okay. Now, endocrine gland example is basically adrenaline gland. Adrenaline gland. Like they do not have any duct. So what they do, they release the hormone. They release the hormone into the blood. Repeat after me. Into the blood. So their transportation of hormones happen through the blood. Did you understand? No. Hmm? Or exocrine because they have their own duct, so they do not need any transportation system because they have their proper duct system. Do you know what is duct? That is like a pipe through which they can release the hormone. No, you didn't understand anything, Ira? David? David, are you getting this, beta? And the class that you missed, did you saw in the in on YouTube? No. So kindly check it, and tomorrow, if you have any doubt, please ask me through it. Okay.
Ego.
Okay, guys.
Okay.
Miraculin, everyone got it? So now, like in
Sir.
this chapter, we will learn about the endocrine gland. They releases the blood, the hormones into the blood, and when they release the hormone into the blood, through which they like they usually they target the organs. Like adrenaline gland, they target the heart. Like when adrenaline gland releases the adrenaline hormone, so because of that, the heart will beat fastly. Everyone got it? No. Yes or no? David, you didn't understand anything? Now, what do you mean by hormones? Hormones are the chemical substances through which body growth and development can happen. Like we learn in the menstruation cycle, David, that in menstruation cycle, like estrogen hormones is responsible for the ovulation of an egg. So these are the chemical substances through which they target the organ, and because of they target the organ will releases some amount of like they showed some development. Like estrogen target on the ovary, yes, for the ovulation. Progesterone will target on the uterus for more cushioning when pregnancy happen. You got my point, David? No, you got it. Okay. So we have different types of endocrine gland. So like we have hypothalamus, pineal gland, pituitary gland. These all are called as endocrine gland. So I will ask this question from Edric. Will they have duct?
Um, no.
No, they won't have any duct because they are the endocrine gland. Thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, thymus, kidney, pancreas, testis, ovary. These all are called as the endocrine gland because they releases their hormone into the blood. Where? Into the blood. Sorry for that. My stomach is aching again. Okay, so now endocrine. David, can you read this, please?
All of us
Yeah.
observe the changes and development taking place in humans from the age of infancy to adulthood and old age. You may notice more pronounced changes in height and weight in the initial years, and also very significant development of secondary sexual characters during adolescence. In fact, our body undergoes changes as long as we live. These changes are regulated by special glands in our body known as endocrine glands. The
Hmm.
main function of these glands is to produce chemical secretions called hormones.
So
Hormones,
everyone underline this part which David is reading. This part. Which part? These changes are regulated These changes are regulated by a special gland in our body known as endocrine gland. The main function of this gland is to produce chemical secretion called hormones. Hormones plays an important role in controlling coordination and regulation and functioning of tissues, organs, and system of the body.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, read, David, please.
Uh, of well-harmonized mechanisms regulate the release of very precise quantities of hormones to achieve optimal functioning of the human body. The endocrine system is responsible for chemical coordination in our body.
Yeah. So the endocrine system is responsible for the chemical coordination in our body. Chemical coordination means they basically the chemically they releases hormones for because of that our body like they shows growth and development. Okay, our body shows growth and development. So, like if they will ask you the definition of hormone, so we have this hormone. Hormone is a chemical secreted by an endocrine gland carried by the blood to the target organ situated elsewhere of the body to stimulate specific activity. To stimulate specific activity. Now, for example, like in our intestine, if a pancreas will release the lipase enzyme. Why? Because light means lipid, which is equals to fat, and ase means enzyme. Okay, to eat the fat in the food, pancreas releases the lipase enzyme. Are you getting my point? So, like the enzyme is in pancreas, but it is released by the released in the intestine, so that the in intestine the fat can be dissolved or fat can be digested. Everyone got it? Agatha? No, you didn't get it.
Yeah, got it, sir.
Okay. Now, if you get it, then just okay. Now there are two types of activity happen. First is hyperactivity, and the second one is hypoactivity. Hyper more, hypo less. Like for example, if I will, if yeah. So if I will give lot of homework to
Oh,
David,
don't
then
do it, sir.
yeah, this reaction is called as hyper reaction. Okay, it means the reaction which came is called as hyper reaction. Okay, and what is hypo reaction? Hypo reaction is right now I'm the hypo state. Why? Because I'm not too much energetic. Why energetic? This because I am sick with a stomach ache. Okay, so this is called as hypo. Hypo means less, and hyper means high. So if for example, if growth hormone, which used to give the height of the body, okay, now if it is in hyper condition, means most of the growth hormone release, like growth hormone is releasing day by day, then what will happen? Two or three Goliath will form. Yes or no? Goliath will be there because hyperactivity of the pituitary gland releases the more growth hormone. Okay, and if hypoactivity happen, hypoactivity means the person will be in drop in size. This is called as hyperactivity and hypoactivity. Are you getting my point? Yes or no? No, Edric?
So the
You didn't understand?
pituitary,
Sir, I didn't understand, sir. Sir, I didn't understand.
Edric was too tense about homework.
Yeah. Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
so
Read. Yeah. Tell Agatha.
so pituitary gland helps us to increase our height.
Yeah. Pituitary gland helps us in height and other growth also. Not only about height, but other growth and development also. Okay.
Sir,
Like like
pituitary gland is a gland that is able to secrete the hormone.
yeah. So, for example, right now, like Zoe, whole hand, okay, it's gonna be look like this. Like right now, If I will do like this, I have a lot of gap between my top of the finger and the this thing. But if you will do Zoe, then Zoe whole thing will come like this. Okay. Why? Because right now pituitary gland didn't releases that growth hormone. Okay, Zoe. So for that, when growth hormone will release, then she will also do it like this. But right now she is doing like this. Okay. Okay. So now can you read the Agatha? Can you read pituitary gland?
Okay. This is a small gland located at the base of the brain. This gland plays an important role in the growth of a child from puberty to the full reproductive maturity. The pituitary gland secretes gonad stimulating hormone, which regulates the activity of gonads, that is, over in females.
Now, what are gonads? Gonads are the reproductive organs. We can say in other word also, it is called as reproductive organs. So pituitary gland is not only responsible for the primary growth, which is the height and all, but it is also responsible for the sexual growth also. Like in male reproductive organ is testis, and in female reproductive organ is ovary. Okay, so the gonads, it is like in small form, it is called as GSH. GSH is released by the pituitary gland for the development of testis and ovary. Are you getting my point? No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please read, Agatha.
There's an increase in the activity of this gland at the time of puberty, which stimulates the ovarian testis to produce the sex hormones, progesterone and testosterone, I guess. Next is testosterone.
Okay. Just give me a second. Yes. Yeah. Progesterone and estrogen in females. Please read it.
Estrogen in females and testosterone in males. These hormones initiate the development of secondary sexual characters. We read more about secondary sexual characters in the lesson reproduction. The disorders caused by the increased or decreased activity of the pituitary gland include Cushing's disease. It is caused by the hyperactivity of pituitary gland. In this males, this disease may lead to excessive growth of hair. In some cases, it may even cause atrophy of testes, leading to impotency. In the females, this disease causes sterility and masculinization. For example, growth of hair and mustaches.
So Cushing disease is happened when the hyperactivity of pituitary gland happens. Now, because of hyperactivity, the males, they have excessive hair. They become like a bhalu, like bear, because of hyperactivity. Okay. So this is called as Cushing disease. Okay. Now, deficiency or hypoactivity of GH, which is gonad hormone, or somatotrophic hormone, secrete to the pituitary dwarfism. It releases GH is growth hormone. It's not gonad hormone. Okay, GH is growth hormone. Okay, so that like it less secretion cause dwarfism, and more secretion called gigantism, like Goliath. Okay, are you getting my point, everyone? No.
Yes.
Okay, next, thyroid gland. It is responsible for the speed metabolism of our body. Okay, now there are two types of there, like it is called as hyperthyroidism and hypothyroidism. Hyper means more thyroxine hormone is released, and less thyroid is released. It's called as hypothyroidism. Okay, so now they can ask you the disease and the what is that disease. So it is called as crintanism. Is a condition where several stunted physical and mental growth due to the unrelated congenital deficiency of thyroid hormone, means hypothyroidism. Like if thyroid hormone is less, then their physical and mental growth will be not so much good. Okay, and because of they have the iodine deficiency. Iodine deficiency lead to the hypothyroidism, and they lead to the disease called as cretinism.
Cretinism,
Are you
sir.
getting my
Cretinism.
cretinism? Sorry, cretinism. Okay. Now, because of that, deficiency of iodine can lead to the goiter also. Okay, which is characterized by the enlargement of a gland. Like this lady has a enlargement of a gland. It is called as thyroid gland. Okay, swelling of neck is available is there, and if iodine is less, then it led to the uh, hypothyroidism. Sorry, goiter disease. Everyone got my point?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Now, yes, it is two hormone called as insulin and glucagon, which helps in the metabolism of glucose in our body. Hypersecretion of insulin called diabetes. Okay, which glucose is present in the excess causes. Okay, so hyper secretion of insulin, what will happen that their body sugar go very low. Okay, their body sugar will go very low because of the hyper secretion. Okay, and hyposecretion, their sugar level will go very high. So the person who have high sugar, it is because of hyposecretion of insulin. Everyone got my point? No.
Yeah.
Agatha, you got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, and hypersecretion will lead to the low body sugar. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Low body sugar causes diabetes, right?
yeah. So if hyposecretion is there, then they have diabetes in which their sugar level is high, and if hypersecretion is there, so they can be fainted because of low sugar level.
So low sugar levels is dangerous.
I mean, everything is dangerous. Hyper is also dangerous, and hypo is also dangerous. Why? Because hyper will lead to the like sugar. If it is sugar is too high, then the body organs functioning will slows down. Okay, got my point, Agatha? Ira? Yes, Edric?
Yes, sir. Got finally it.
Okay. So we have completed this chapter. Okay, so now, guys, Ira, thank you for messaging me for the homework. So terminal exercise till Monday. Till Monday. Till Monday, you have time for the terminal exercise and all for the homework. And with that note, we have completed this course. But tomorrow and Saturday, if possible, tomorrow is confirmed. Tomorrow we will have doubt class regarding the chapter. Okay. And then on Monday onwards, we will start chapter number 4, which is special products and factorization.
So has Saturday.
Saturday, because I want to take one more doubt class. So if possible, if I can make it, I will definitely make it class.
So why not?
So when will you send the results?
And results I will send on the. I checked one or two, but I didn't send it. Wow. Okay, I will send on Saturday. The results will be on Saturday only.
Sir,
I checked 1 and 2, but I
Sir?
didn't send it. Yes,
sir, so Saturday the class will be in the morning, right?
in the morning only, like 11 o'clock, near that.
10, 10:30 like that. 10.
Yeah, 10, 10:30 if possible. But if I will not able to make it, then I'll not take. But I will try my best to make it. But please, guys, please bring lot of doubts. You have full time. Please bring lot of doubts so that we can discuss doubts. And yes,
You forgot to say science course completed like that.
yeah, science course is ouch. My stomach is paining. The science course is completed.
Fine. So science course
Finally.
completed.
Edric,
Yeah.
you better get ready for the March exam now, right?
March, I have a lot of preliminary exams. Then April is my main exam.
Oh,
For
So
you,
Good luck.
Adrik,
Good luck
when
in-
you will give my exam, my prelims?
in
Tell
your
me the date.
tell the date of which one, math or science?
First maths.
Which so I can pick whichever date I want. It can be in March
Yeah.
month, this month.
Yeah, in March month, you can pick any date of science and maths, and you just tell me in the group, or you can message me personally so that I can prepare the paper and I will send it to you.
How many papers? One or two?
First, we will take one and one, and if we needed two, then I'll take two, second one also. But first, we'll take like at least one. We will take.
So Rebecca ma'am
Okay.
and Sakshi ma'am are taking two.
Yeah. So first, we will take one. You'd give me the date, and then I'll send the paper to you. Okay.
And then for two also I'll send.
Yeah, for two also you can send it to me.
Okay. And like if I'm free on any date, like I'll
Yeah,
tell you. Okay,
according to your suitable time. Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay then. I'm sorry guys. I took a small class today. But,
Jashwant
today
just
I'm
joined.
Sorry.
sorry.